Hi friends, welcome to Visava Foods channel. Today we are going to make chicken shawarma. For that we are going to fry chicken. We are going to make white sauce with sesame seeds. We are going to make red chili chutney. Pickled vegetables we are going to do first. Then we will make rotis also with all-purpose flour. So let's start with the recipe. I have kept the water for boiling. Here I have kept the water for boiling. I have kept the water for boiling. It has started boiling now. I will put off the gas. Now in this water I will put the vegetables, that is beetroot, chili and cucumber. Friends, I have put the vegetables in the hot water. Now I will add half cup of vinegar in it and we will allow the vegetables to remain in the water for 2 hours. Salt. The vegetables will get pickled now. Here I have taken 200 grams of chicken which I have cut into small pieces. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric. 2 teaspoon of curd, I will mix it. Half teaspoon of garam masala, I will add salt and we will mix it. I will add crushed garlic. Let it marinate for 1 hour. Now for making white sauce. Friends, I have kept the sesame seeds for roasting. As it starts roasting, it will start spluttering. We will roast it for few minutes. Then I will ground it into powder. It has started spluttering. Now I will put off the gas. Friends, the color has changed. Now let it get cooled down. Then I will grind it into fine powder. For the white sauce, I have taken quarter cup of sesame seeds which I have roasted. Now let it get cooled down. I have ground the sesame seeds into powder. Friends, now it has cooled down. Now I will add few pods of garlic and 6 to 7 black pepper. I will add 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. Half cup of milk. Now I will grind it. I will add little salt and I will mix it. Friends, I have added 2 teaspoons of curd and 2 chilies. Now I will grind it again. The white sauce is ready. Now we will make a mixture of flours for frying the chicken. Friends, here I have taken 2 teaspoons of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of chana atta, that is besan, and 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour and little chili powder. Friends, I have mixed all the flour. I will coat the chicken pieces with this flour. Then we will fry. The oil is getting hot. The oil is hot. I will coat the chicken with the flour. And then we will fry. We will shallow fry it. The chicken pieces are frying. We will fry it from all the sides. We have to fry white till it becomes little crispy. Now it's done. I will remove the chicken pieces. For the red chutney, I will add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed oil, 3 teaspoon of tomato ketchup, little salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. The spoon is big, so I am taking half teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix it well. So our red chutney or red sauce is also ready. Now for making the chapati for shawarma. Here I have taken all-purpose flour. It is nearly 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have added little oil. Now we will knead the dough as we are doing it for the chapati. After making the rotis for shawarma, the remaining dough I will use for my puris. Don't put too much of water, add water slowly. I have added little oil. We will knead the dough properly. I will cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will roll the roti. We will roll the dough like a chapati. We will roll all the chapatis in this way. The pan is hot. I will put the chapati. I have turned the chapati. It has turned little brown. This one is done. Now we will remove this chapati. Friends, our chapatis are ready. I have put little oil. Our red sauce is ready, white sauce is ready, and our cucumber, beetroot are pickled. Here I have kept the chapati. I will add the red sauce. If you want less spicy, add little paste. This shawarma I will prepare without white sauce. I will add pickled carrot, pickled cucumber, chili. We have to fold it from here, so I will add little here. This much portion we are going to fold like this. Now I will add the chicken. I have cut the chicken into small pieces. I will add it over here. onion, now we will fold it. First we are going to fold it from here, then from here, like this. Our shawarma is ready. Now I will wrap it in. You can wrap it like this. So our shawarma is ready. You can see. So I will prepare the other shawarmas also. In this second shawarma, I will add the white sauce. It is little spicy, so you can add according to your taste. Pickled carrot. We have to fold this portion, so I am putting the pickled vegetable here. I will add the pickled vegetables. I have cut the chicken into small pieces, so we will put it over here. Some onion. I will add the white sauce and we will fold it. I have kept a piece of lettuce on onion. The shawarma is ready. I will serve it. Friends, our chicken shawarma is ready. I have served it with salad. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe to Visava Foods channel. Thank you.